Right, folks, I found a new place to fly, which I gotta be honest, I like, because there's nobody gonna come around here. Plus, I've climbed a gate into this. Used to be the working site for when they was putting this new bridge up. You'll see now in a minute. They was putting a new bridge up here. So they like nicked this bit of land to park all their stuff in, you know, all the vehicles and site offices. So right, let's do the dance, as they call it. Before you do the dance, it's a good idea to switch the switch it on. It wasn't switched on. So we're going straight onto the Litchi app. I haven't planned anything for down here, so it's purely, hopefully we'll get a lot of trains, and that will do me fine. Do I look smart enough to be down in a field on my own? Because I'm getting comments. Why have I got a blue dot? I always hover for a bit just to make sure it's, the man above is watching. Take it over there. That's the jalopy track, which is about a mile from my house, but the prices went up. The prices went up too much, so we stopped going to these things. And that's a little train going up the railway track. It's only a little thing. I'm going to fly over there because there's a tree over there which looks very similar to Bagot Corner's tree. See why I got the fascination for clouds, can you? Just love clouds. They're my friends. They're my friends. doing a litchi app for an orbit. See if it'll do it. Failed. Command cannot be executed. It says it can, and it fucking goes darting over there, thinking, well, that's it, it's fucking gone, and then it's now doing an orbit. So, and I'm not getting no talking. Oh, have I? I might have put my speakers down. I fucking did.
130 feet altitude, 159 feet distance, 62% battery.
I like that fella talking to me, you see. Near the train.
8 feet altitude, 17 feet distance, 70% battery.